Scooter of the week, yeah.
Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week. I am your host, Greg, and today I wanted to highlight the Golden Companion three-wheel scooter made by Golden Technologies. This thing they basically redid it. It has a sporty new look and new upgraded comfort features. So let's start off with what's new on this, starting this year, 2024. You got a new tiller design with a digital dash and console, which is beautiful. And then you've got a tiller-mounted USB charger port, which is always a good thing to have. You can charge your phone, your tablets, whatever plugs in, via USB. You have a new high back captain seat. A stadium seat. It has a beautiful quilted diamond stitch pattern on it. You have front rear suspension, larger optional batteries for more of a range. So the U1 35 amp hours that come with it, you're gonna get at least 12 miles per charge. And then you can upgrade to the 50 amp hour batteries. It's going to be about 19 miles per charge. So that's always a good thing. Beautiful new colors. They call it galactic gray. You've got if I can pronounce it, azure blue. That sounded French. And then the crimson red, which you could see in this video up here. So it's a beautiful scooter. I definitely suggest checking it out. Golden, they make just as good as products as Pride Mobility, I believe. So they're definitely a good competition for Pride. You've got full suspension on this, full LED lighting. So yeah, if you have a chance, check out the Golden Companion three-wheel scooter by Golden Technologies. And if you have any questions, give AutoMobility Store a call at 800-431-3183.